Jesus!
And then you quarrel with person. Did you quarrel with someone?
And what did I do?
Jesus!
God. Madam, please take it easy.
Is it not styling?
Easy now. Please take it easy with my hair.
Don't get respect.
Please.
I see front hair. You get front hair.
Thank you.
You get it?
I tap.
If you don't get it, forget
I
about
tap
it.
into this front.
Oh my God, what is it now? Take it easy with my hair. Now ritual. So you're plugging my front hair.
It is smoky book.
I just admire the hair. Best know they
Thank
admire
you.
hair.
Oh,
Thank you,
Billy!
abeg.
Oh, Billy!
Continue styling my hair.
Please, what do you use, Abeg?
Hey, that's what you have said since now. I'm using EJ. Can see EJ
Ijoma.
hair product. EJ.
Eh?
Yes, very nice.
Abeg. Pour smoke.
No.
Jesus!
I can't give you. I can't give you.
Jesus!
It's for me and my brother. We are using it. It's very affordable.
The man they use that too.
Yes, now even people on dread they use it. People, so far you want your hair to grow, your hair to
Better treatment.
Yes.
Make your hair chop better
exactly.
food. So
you
EJ
know
na
it
hair
now.
food.
EJ.
Yeah, I go
If you
buy
use
am.
EJ,
Where can I buy it, please?
on Instagram.
Okay.
Vichy hair _skin treatment. You get. You go there. It's very affordable.
Wow.
Yes, so
Vichy hair _
exactly.
skin treatment. So now this thing you wear charity and the papa they use for their family. I don't get the secrets. EJ,
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.